Welcome to the mysteries of the cosmos. About 4.5 billion years ago, a vast cloud of gas and dust floated in space, seemingly inert and purposeless. This primordial nebula, composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, also contained traces of heavier elements forged in earlier stars. At the heart of this cosmic cloud, a gravitational disturbance, possibly caused by a nearby supernova explosion, triggered an epic process. The cloud began to contract under its own gravity, spinning faster and faster as it compressed, like a skater bringing his arms closer to his body. At the center of this cosmic vortex, temperatures and pressures increased dramatically, giving rise to the birth of our Sun. As the rising Sun grew, its gravity pulled in more matter, but its rotation and solar winds pushed some of the material outward. This ejected material formed a protoplanetary disk around the young star, a flattened structure of rotating gas and dust. Within this disk, small dust particles began to collide and stick together, forming larger and larger bodies in a process called accretion. As these bodies grew, their gravity increased, attracting more material and growing even faster, in a positive feedback loop. In the inner regions of the disk, where temperatures were high, only heat-resistant materials such as metals and rocks could survive. These materials formed the terrestrial planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, relatively small but dense rocky bodies. Beyond the snowline, where temperatures were low enough, ice and other volatile compounds could remain solid. This abundance of material allowed the formation of the gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, much larger but less dense planets. The process of planetary formation was neither uniform nor peaceful. Impacts and collisions were common, shaping the planets and their moons. One of these colossal impacts between the early Earth and a body the size of Mars gave rise to our Moon, a crucial event for life on Earth. As the planets grew, their gravitational fields strengthened, clearing their orbits of debris and defining the structure of the solar system. However, not all of the material was absorbed by the planets. Remnants from this formative era persist as asteroids, comets, and trans-Neptunian objects. The asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter and the Kuiper belt beyond Neptune are reservoirs of these ancient vestiges of creation. The formation of the solar system was not an instantaneous event, but a process that spanned millions of years, with phases of intense activity and change. During this period, the chemical composition of the planets and their atmospheres evolved, establishing the conditions for the development of life on at least one of them, Earth. Planetary migration played a crucial role in the final shape of the solar system, with gas giants moving in and out. These motions had profound effects on the entire system, altering the orbits of other bodies and possibly ejecting a hypothetical fifth gas giant. The so-called late heavy bombardment, about 4 billion years ago, was another formative event, bringing water and organic compounds to the terrestrial planets. As the dust settled, literally, a recognizable solar system emerged, with the Sun at the center and 8 major planets orbiting it. Each planet developed unique characteristics based on its composition, distance from the Sun, and formation history. Mercury, the closest to the Sun, remained a small, rocky world, its surface pockmarked by craters, a testament to its turbulent history. Venus, similar in size to Earth, evolved drastically differently, becoming a hellish world of greenhouse gases. The Earth found the perfect balance, developing a breathable atmosphere and vast oceans that would allow life to flourish. Once wet and possibly habitable, Mars became the desert-like red planet we know today, with polar ice caps in deep canyons. Jupiter, the giant of the system, formed as a massive world of gas and liquid, with a dynamic atmosphere and a powerful magnetic field. Saturn, famous for its spectacular rings, emerged as another gas giant, less massive than Jupiter but equally fascinating. Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants, formed in the outer regions, composed primarily of elements heavier than hydrogen and helium. Around these planets, numerous moons formed and were captured, each with its own history and unique characteristics. The outer solar system became populated with smaller icy objects, forming the Kuiper belt and, beyond that, the distant Oort cloud. Over billions of years, the solar system has continued to evolve, with asteroid impacts, solar flares, and planetary climate changes. Space exploration has allowed us to observe these celestial bodies and processes up close, revealing amazing details about our cosmic neighborhood. We have discovered geysers on Saturn's moon Enceladus, active volcanoes on Jupiter's moon Io, and possible subsurface oceans on several icy moons. Each new mission and discovery brings us closer to understanding not only our origins, but also Earth's unique place in this vast system. The story of the formation of the solar system is a tale of cosmic transformation, from the chaos of a gas cloud to the order of orbiting planets. It is a testament to the fundamental physical processes that govern the universe, from gravity to thermodynamics and chemistry. Understanding this story not only satisfies our curiosity, but also helps us contextualize our existence in the cosmos. As we look up at the night sky, we can marvel not only at the beauty of the planets and stars, but also at the epic history they represent. The formation of the solar system reminds us that we are part of something much bigger, a universe in constant change and evolution. And as we continue to explore and learn, perhaps one day we can answer the most intriguing question of all: are we the only solar system that harbors life, or is there a vast cosmos filled with inhabited worlds waiting to be discovered? Thank you for joining us on this stellar journey. If you enjoyed this cosmic tour, don't forget to give the video a like. Subscribe to Mysteries of the Cosmos for more space adventures. See you in the next video.